Hello, I'm George Barlow, and welcome to a short tutorial to orient you to the user start page on the Cloud Harbor Business Operations Platform, or BOP. In this session, we'll learn about the components of the main Cloud Harbor BOP page and some of the ways to configure it to the way you like to work. The user start page is really a portal page where you can create a work environment that suits you with your applications, documentation, inbox, and even other websites right at your fingertips. Let's begin by logging in as someone who can create or change Cloud Harbor web applications. That means we've been assigned a role as a developer, analyst, or deployer of web applications. Here's the start page. Notice your organization name is displayed in the upper right. You are initially logged into your default organization. If you belong to more than one organization, you can choose where you want to work from the drop-down box. On your left side is your username. At the bottom of the page is the taskbar, which functions similar to the Windows taskbar or the Mac OS dock. To view applications available to you on the Cloud Harbor platform, click the Show Applications button. This first displays a list of the most recently used applications you've worked with. To see all the applications you're authorized to use, click the handle below the bar to open the curtain. Now you see every application you can use. This will often be different for every user. To maximize your screen space, click the Show Application button again. On the left edge of the screen is the shortcut bar. It can be floating, like it is here, or you can permanently display it. Initially, this bar contains shortcuts to preferences, copyright information, and the online documentation. You can add your own shortcuts to this bar. Let's click the Options button and select Create Shortcut to add a few external applications to keep handy on our desktop. Fill in the URL of the site or page you want displayed. In this case, let's use Google. Fill in the tooltip or caption field with the name for the shortcut. If you want to display a particular icon, set the path to it. You could also set where the window is displayed and its size. Click Create. The new shortcut is added to the toolbar. Clicking the icon brings up the page. You can minimize it to the taskbar and restore it any time. Closing the window exits the application. Let's add another external site window, this time one I work with every day, the Cloud Harbor website. This time, notice the different and larger window settings at the bottom. So here's the Cloud Harbor website. I may want to add a personal site I frequently refer to, like my Yahoo, so let's add that one too. Here's my Yahoo homepage. If I maximize it, I see the whole page. I can minimize it to the taskbar to keep it handy. The documentation for the system is also available on the shortcut bar. Another way to get your applications to the shortcut bar is to select an application and click the blue arrow. Then select Copy to Shortcut Bar. Here we put the inbox on the shortcut bar and then open it. The inbox provides many ways to organize your work and keep up with notifications from the system. You can see lists of all the personal tasks assigned to you, notifications from the Cloud Harbor BOP, running applications, and other people in your organization, as well as all tasks you have permission to see or administer. You can see the list by any of the organizational roles you have. For example, here we see deployer, developer, and analyst tasks. The inbox has extensive search capabilities. You can filter by scheduled task, work due today, and all tasks assigned to you. You can also filter the search within personal tasks, notifications, cases, and any of your roles. You can also view tasks by a number of filters. For example, all tasks due today. Here, there are none. We'll learn more about the inbox and see it in action as we create our first application. The application palette shows your most recently used applications. You can also remove any of these icons. Click the blue arrow and choose Remove from List. As you can see, the icon is gone. Now if we run the inbox application again, notice the icon returns since it's the most recently used application. Let's sign out and then sign in again as a user with no roles or applications assigned to him or her. Notice that this user has only an inbox to receive tasks assigned by the system and the ability to set his or her notification preferences. There are only the standard shortcuts available. Now let's see how the inbox is different. Notice that since the user has no organizational role assigned, only personal tasks are available. In the next tutorial, we'll begin learning how to create business process and case management applications.